Hi, I am Professor Yuvraj. Nice to meet you. Welcome to online class. Hey everyone, we are going to learn fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn filtration process. It is really useful and it only takes few minutes. The contents are introduction, objects, mechanisms, types of filtration and materials. The filtration process is to removal of all kinds of impurities and bacterial load which is not removed from previous process like sedimentation, flocculation or clariflocculation. How it removes? It removes from water by passing it through filter porous media. The objects of filtration are first, to remove all kinds of suspended, colloidal and other impurities which is not removed from previous process like sedimentation, flocculation or clariflocculation. It converts turbid water to clear water by removing all bacterial loads up to minimum 90%. After removal of this bacterial load, our water automatically is seen very sparkling and aesthetically attractive water. It converts chemical characteristics of water to reduce color and odor by arresting fine coloring matter in filter media. Types of filtration. First type. It is based on rate of filtration. First type, gravity filter. Under this filter, there are two types. One, slow sand filter. Second, rapid sand filter. Another type of filter is pressure filter. Second type, it is based on material of filter media. Under this, first one, sand filters. Second, anthracite filters. Third, metal fabric filters. Fourth, diatomaceous earth filters, that is earth filters. Third type is based on depth of filter media. Under this, first one, deep granular filter and second, pre-coat filter. Next bit, mechanism of filtration. Under this, it is based on two steps. First, transport mechanism. Second, attachment mechanism. Now, we have to understand what is transport mechanism. In transport mechanism, we have to concentrate a small particles from solution to surface media. Thus, diffusion, interception, gravitational settling and hydrodynamic action takes place. In second, attachment mechanism, there are four stepped mechanisms. One, mechanical straining. Here, sand is our filter media. We know in sand there are number of voids. Thus, voids are acting as a sieves. When water is flowing through this filter media, all particles or impurities captured or retained in this upper part of filter media. Thus, it helps straining impurities. Second, electrolytic action and sedimentation. Residual alum flow in clarified water having thin coating on surface of sand grains which is positively charged. That means after adding of alum, it becomes a flow. After that, sand grains having a positive charge. And second, colloidal particles are negatively charged. Both these opposite charge particles comes in contact with each other, that is, sand and impurities, then neutralize and get deposited in voids of sand. And each voids behaves like a small sedimentation tank. Thus we remove all bacteria. Third type, attachment. When water is flowing with colloidal particles through sand, it maintains curved path, and the force acting on particles is centrifugal force. Due to this force, particles are in suspension. After some time, particles, those are suspended in position, they are attached to sand grains. Due to this action, impurities are removed. Fourth type, biological metabolism. First, we have to understand what is meant by metabolism. Metabolism, it is an act or process by which living tissues and cells take up and convert into their own proper substance. In biological metabolism, surface of sand coated with Zucchini film. This film contains colonies of living organisms. By feeding organic impurities, it converts harmless compounds by biological reactions. Thus, impurities form a top layer and bacteria thrive and absorb these impurities. Next bit, filter materials. First type of filter material is sand. As we discussed, there are two types of filters, slow sand filter and rapid sand filter. Mostly, rapid sand filter is used in number of cities. We already seen rapid sand filter. The rapid sand filter having a diameter 0.45 to 0.7 mm and slow sand filter having a diameter 0.2 to 0.3 mm. Specific gravity of sand is always between 2.55 to 2.65. It should be free from all impurities like silt, etc. and also uniform in nature, in size and shape. Second type of filter material is anthracite. More costly than sand and lighter than sand. Used alone or jointly crushed anthracite with sand. Third, garnet sand. Heavier than normal sand. Specific gravity is 4.2. Fourth, locally available material are husk, burnt rice husk, crushed glass, slag and metallic ores, etc. Fifth filter material is gravel, having a density 1600 kg per meter cube. Hi everyone, how's it going? I am Professor Yuvraj. Nice to meet you. Welcome to online class. Hey everyone, we are going to learn fastest, easiest and most fun way to learn filtration process. It is really useful and it only takes few minutes. In this series, we are going to learn some easy ways to ask and answer common question in filtration are: what is slow sand filter? That is theoretical thing. And what is the design of slow sand filter? Let's see. Slow sand filter. The contents are: first, understanding of figure of slow sand filter. Second, construction. Third, under drainage system. Fourth, base material. Fifth, filter media of sand. Sixth, filter appearances. 7. cleaning of filter. 8. Design of slow sand filter. See the figure neatly. My arrow shows the gravel. This is the gravel position. Here. It is called base material, having a thickness of 75 centimeter. Above that, the filter media, that is sand, is provided at a depth of 90 centimeter. Tank details. Construction. The tank slow sand filter is constructed by brick masonry or stone masonry. It should be, actually it must be watertight or waterproof. Bed slope, it is provided 1:100 or 1:200. The depth of tank is in between 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. Surface area is in between 50 to 2000 meters square. Under drainage system. It consists lateral drains joining central drain which carries filtered water to outlet chamber. Let us see what is lateral drains in the plan. See, these are the lateral drains. We are already seen at the time of visit. Okay. And these lateral drains provided with central drain. Central drain carries all the filter water. The second point under drainage system is lateral drains placed at 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter apart. That means two lateral drains is the spacing is provided at least minimum 2.5 meter. In the lateral drains may be 7.5 centimeter to 10 centimeter diameter, that is 4 inch, may be open jointed or porous patented drain devices. Base material. The base material is gravel. See in the figure. See, this is the portion is provided, that is gravel, having a thickness of 75 centimeter. It is placed top of drainage system at 4 to 5 layers. Well graded depth varies from 30 centimeter to 75 centimeter. Each depth may layer in 15 centimeter. Remember, top layer small size gravel and bottom layer large size gravel is provided. That means you understand that 15 centimeter each layer, that means 4 to 5 layers you are provided. At the top side you are providing a very small size gravel, and at the bottom side you are providing large size of gravel. That you have to understand. Filter media of sand. See in the figure. This is the portion of sand, that is, it is above of the gravel is provided. Now, this filter media of sand is provided with 90 centimeter thickness. Okay, see the theory. Filter media is supported by base material, that is gravel. Filter media consists sand layers which is above base material, that is gravel. Sand layer sand layers vary 75 centimeter to 90 centimeter. Effective size vary in between 0.2 to 0.35 but mostly 0.3 provided. Uniformity coefficient is in between 2 to 3 but mostly 2.5 we provided. Most important thing is top layer consists 15 centimeter layer of finer sand, then remaining layers which is of uniform grain size. Finer sand produces pure water. That means here more impurities are captured or trapped. Remember, finer the sand, smaller is the filtration rate. Please remember, finer the sand, smaller is the filtration rate. That means it takes time to capture all the impurities. See in the figure. Therefore, the above is filtering head is provided. That means the filtered head is 1.2 meter above. If when the filtration head achieve maximum limit, it will stop working for cleaning purpose. That is, it is take a first drain out at the time of 1.3 meter filtration head. When this is going on at the time, 2 to 3 centimeters sand is scraped and removed from this cleaning when the cleaning is going on. Assumption that both straining and microbiological action takes place during this filtration. The surface area of this slow sand filter is 0.10 to 0.15 meter cube per hour per meter square. The bacterial removal of efficiency of slow sand filter is 90%. That is good thing. But low turbidity and low color efficiency is in slow sand filter. Under filter appearances, it is required for regulate the flow and efficient operation and maintain the filter system. This system is for controlling depth of water above filter media. Second, controlling constant rate of flow through filter. And third, measuring loss of head due to filter. Cleaning of filter. Cleaning of filter is the important step. When filtration head achieve maximum limit, it will stop working for cleaning. That is, first drain out is taken out at the filtration head is at 1.3 meter. 2 to 3 centimeter sand is scraped and removed at the time of cleaning of filter. Before cleaning of filter starts the operation of filtration, first water is allowed to enter into the tank from below to top, fully covered with sand weight. That means you understand that all the water is start to fill the tank from bottom to top, and sand bed is fully covered with water, that is dipped into the water. This is done for avoiding entrapping air in sand. Avoid dislogging of sand. Slowly inlet wall is opened until normal water level is reached. Filter is allowed to stand for next 12 hours. Then filtrate is allowed, and for next 12 to 15 hours wash out or wash water drained slowly at the rate of 20%. We use filtration rate 33%. When filtered water is collected and transferred to filtered water reservoir, it maintained for another 3 days. Then slow sand filter moves at its normal rate. Generally, cleaning of interval is 30 to 90 days, but it depends on nature of impurities. Several times such cleaning is done. Naturally, thickness of filter sand get reduced. Thus, then after we have to add another new 15 centimeter thick layer of filter sand. In case new sand is not available, then old scraped sand after washing can be used. Design of slow sand filter. Question. Design 6 units of slow sand filter for population 1 lakh. Use the following data. First data that is given. Per capita water demand 150 liter per hour per day. Second, rate of filtration 180 liter per hour per meter square. Third, length by breadth ratio is equal to 2, that is L by B ratio is equal to 2. Maximum demand is equal to 1.8 into average daily demand. Fifth, out of 6 units, 1 unit is acting in standby. Draw its unit. This is your given data. Solution. First, we have to find out average daily demand. As we know, population multiplied by rate of supply, we will get the average daily demand. Our population is 1 lakh and rate of supply is 150. So, population multiplied by rate of supply is equal to average daily demand. Therefore, 1 lakh into 150 is equal to 15 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. This is our step number 1. Now, step number 2 is maximum demand. It is given 1.8 into average daily demand. Therefore, 1.8 into 15 into 10 raised to 6. 15 into 10 raised to 6, rightly we are calculated average daily demand. That is 15 into 10 raised to 6. Therefore, 1.8 into 15 into 10 raised to 6 gives the answer 27 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. Third, discharge per hour. 27 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 24. 24 is the hours. Now, the discharge is equal to Q is equal to 1.125 into 10 raised to 6 liter per hour. That is, our maximum demand is converted into hourly demand. Okay, maximum demand is in liter per day and discharge per hour is gives you liter per hour. The step number 4, that is to find out the area. We know capital Q is equal to area into velocity. Therefore, A is equal to Q by V. Thus, area of required filtration capital A is equal to 1.125 into 10 raised to 6 is our calculated capital Q, that is liter per hour, divided by 180. 180 is our rate of filtration. That means 1.125 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 180 gives you answer 6250 meters square. This is your area. We have L by B ratio is equal to 2. Therefore, A capital area A is equal to L into B, that is length into breadth. Then L is equal to, we put capital 2B into B, that is area is equal to 2B square. We already get area is equal to 6250 is equal to 2B square. Then next step is 6250, put it under root square. That is under root 6250 is equal to 2b. We will get the answer capital B is equal to 39.52 meter. Therefore, capital L is equal to 2b is equal to 2 into 39.52. That means you will get L is equal to, that is length is equal to 79.04 meter. The layout of slow sand filter is putting in this fashion. All the sand beds giving the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 number is unit is always putted to standby unit and gives the each side 79.04 into 39.52 meter. Hey students, welcome back. I am Yuvraj. Nowadays you are taking so much holidays due to this corona effect. I think you are hanging out with your stuffs, but you have to do the study very well. In this series we are going to learn some easy ways, the rapid sand filter theory and design. But before going for that, we have to memorize our memory that we are already visited the water treatment plant. At water treatment plant, we are already seen the filtration process, that is rapid sand filter, backwashing, all these things you have already learned. Okay, just let's see. Now you are seeing this is filtration bed, that is rapid sand filter. This filtration bed is filled with water having base material gravel and filter media sand. We have already learned this thing in the slow sand filter. This is our central drain that carries filtered water and to drain out to the outlet, or if required it is drained out to the again backwashing process. These are number of units here provided. This is width, this is length, and our students are seen standing here. See the next video or picture. See, our students are standing here and the process is already started, that is backwashing process. That's why this bubble is formed. See, next figure also or image also, we are seeing this thing. All the things in videos or this picture, many students are standing there. After that, the backwashing process is stopped. That means the air and wash water is forcefully pressurized, placed under this sand bed, and then backwash is done. See, after backwashing, the water is come through this filter bed, that is outlet. It is going for outlet. This is after stop the filtration process. And this is our last picture that we have completed successfully visit. After watching your photographs of already visited to the water treatment plant, you definitely understand that what is the rapid sand filter. Your memory will be definitely integrated. So we will start the theory of rapid sand filter first. The tank details of filter house. The construction are: rapid sand filter is constructed with concrete or masonry. It must be watertight or waterproof. Depth of tank is 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. Surface area is 20 to 50 meters square. L by B ratio, that is length and breadth ratio, L by B ratio is equal to 1.25 to 1.35. Under drainage system, the system performs two duties. First, collection of filtered water, that is, we have to collect a filtered water through this drainage system. That is, this filter water is collected through central pipe, which is called as manifold. Second, providing passage for backwash water for washing filtered media. Now, question arising, what is meant by backwash water? We already learned through the visit, but still we have to learn through this video. There are two systems works, either one perforated pipe system and second pipe and strainer system. First we have to look the image of rapid sand filter. Rapid sand filter with backwashing. You already know the base material is here. This one is gravel having a 60 centimeter depth from this to this. Above that, the filtered media is provided having a depth of 75 centimeter. Above that, wash water troughs is provided. Wash water troughs, see. This is the image is in large in position. This wash water troughs is provided at the time of backwashing. When the water is washed through, at that time water is flowing. After that, the sand should not be run through this media. Okay. Another thing in this figure is provided that wall number 1. It is called inlet wall. Through this inlet wall, the water is entered into the inlet chamber. The another valve is wall number 2. That is called filtered water wall. It is provided in a green arrow. Wall number 1 provided in a red arrow. The wall number 2 is used when all the filter water is processed and now it is going to next process, that is disinfection process. It is the last step. The another valve is valve number 5. Say this valve number 5 is provided for inletting compressed air. This is white arrow. It is coming from upper side, that is air compressed unit is provided. Through this valve, air is entered into the gravel. The purpose of this air inletting compressed air, the simple way is that compressed air is put into the gravel so forcefully that it travels upward in direction to the filtered media, that is sand, and again it moves to the wash water troughs. At that time, simultaneously, wash water, that is wall number 6, it is called supplying wash water, that is opened in position when it required. The supplying wash water is coming from wash water storage tank. It is a backwash process. Through this tank, the water is coming through this pipeline and entered into wall number 6. It is denoted by this black arrow and entered into this gravel and then sand in upward in direction. Through both the air and wash water work simultaneously. At that time, our filter media is disturbed. At that time, the dirty water is come upside, that is upper side of the filter media. Then it comes in contact with wash water troughs. This wash water troughs through dirty water comes in contact with the wall number 4. This is wall number 4. It is denoted by pink color. The duty of wall number 4 is opening waste wash water drain wall, that is to drain the dirty water, and it is collected in the wash water gutter. It is denoted by blue arrow. See in the figure, my arrow is showing. Now the wall number 3 is also collecting the dirty water too. Then you understand that there are 6 walls provided in this rapid sand filter. Another thing is, this wash water troughs is provided at the spacing is equal to 1.5 meter to 2 meter. There are number of wash water troughs are provided. This is troughs. Now you have to understand the troughs is only for carrying dirty water and sand. That is, sand remains in position and only dirty water is connected to wall number 4. So let us see next theory. This is called perforated pipe system. Another diagram is there, I like to show. The below of this figure, laterals are provided. This circular in section, these are circular in section. There are laterals are provided. These are the laterals. 1, 2, 3. Number of laterals is there. Above that small one is, there is a strainers that you have to keep in mind. See, all these are laterals. Okay, this is our central drain pipe, which is called manifold. Now you already know that assumption is that both the straining and microbiological action takes place during filtration. In this rapid sand filtration, the bacterial load removal efficiency is very low and turbidity and color efficiency is much more. The laterals are provided with a diameter of 6 to 12 mm diameter. It is provided at lower side. That's why it is called perforated pipe system. The spacing between the two holes is 7.5 centimeter to 20 centimeters. That is, lateral spacing is 7.5 centimeter to 20 centimeter. Okay, this is the plan for rapid sand filter under drainage system, that is perforated pipeline system. See, strainer system. Laterals provided with strainers. instead of perforated system. Strainers have holes which admit the water into the strainers and then laterals. Strainers made by small brass pipe closed at top by perforated cap. See in the figure. In this figure, you already see this is our central pipe that is called manifold. This is our lateral pipes. Above that, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strainers. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 strainers. Above that, there is a cap, perforated cap. In larger size, here diagram is provided below is here. These are our strainers. Inside of that strainer, there are holes. These holes are carrying out all the waters and provided to the laterals. Above this strainer, there is a perforated cap. Now you understand that how the different kinds of all the parts of the system are working. Base material. The base material is gravel. It is placed top of drainage system at 3 to 4 layers. Well graded depth varies from 40 cm to 60 cm. Each depth may layer in 15 cm. That means you already understand that this is the layer of 4 layers, 15 cm each. Remember, top layer small size of gravel are provided and bottom layer large size of gravel are provided. It is as like slow sand filter. In the filter media of sand, filter media is supported by base materials, that is gravel. You know that. Filter media consists of sand layers which is above base material, that is gravel. Sand layers varies from 60 cm to 90 cm. Effective size vary in between 0.45 to 0.7. Uniformity coefficient is in between 1.3 to 1.8. Most important thing is top layer consists 15 cm layer of finer sand, then remaining layers which is of uniform grain size. Now you understand that finer sand is 15 cm layer and remaining are uniform in grain size. Finer sand produces pure water, that is at the top. That means here more impurities are captured or trapped. Coarse sand placed at the bottom. Now you understand, finer sand carrying the pure water and coarse sand it is provided at the bottom. Remember, finer the sand, smaller is the filtration rate. Remember, finer the sand, smaller is the filtration rate. Filter appearances. The filter appearances are: first, wash water troughs. Second, air compressor. You already see both the diagrams of wash water troughs. It is provided above the filter media of sand. And air compressor is provided, it is in wall number related with wall number 5. The third filter appearances is rate controller and fourth one is miscellaneous accessories. Wash water troughs. It is provided at the top of filter to collect dirty wash water after cleaning. It is provided at 5 cm above filter of sand. Spacing 1.5 meter to 2 meter. You already see in the figure. It is made by cast iron, CI fiber glass. Trough size is kept large enough to carry all water. It is provided in such a way that sand does not wash out during backwashing. Size of trough is fixed by expression where capital B is equal to width, small y is equal to depth in meter, capital Q is equal to discharge. The equation is capital Q is equal to 1.376 multiplied by capital B into small y raised to 1.5. Cleaning of filter by backwashing when performed. When it is performed? First step. Filter run over more than 24 hours to 72 hours. Second. Terminal head loss is equal to permissible values is equal to 2.5 meter to 3.5 meter. Third. If effluent turbidity is greater than 5 mg per liter, that is deteriorating filtered water quality. For backwashing, separate constructed overhead tank provided. You already see in the figure, that is wall number 6 is related with backwashing process to this backwash, right? After that, pump is provided to lift filtered water to store in the wash water tank. The pump not only providing the pressure wash water tank to providing the overhead tank to provide the water, but also air compressing unit, it is also important. Both are very important thing. See, cleaning of filter by backwashing, the procedure are: first step A, inlet wall number 1, that is wall number 1 related with, it is used for admitting raw water. B, that is wall number 2. The wall number 2 is used for filtered water outlet wall. That is last step, when all the filter water goes outside. That is next step, that is after that filtration is disinfection process. Third process, wall number 5, that is used for inletting compressed air. And wall number 6 is used for supplying wash water. Thus, air and wash water applied in upward direction through gravel and sand bed. Required amount of air is applied, then wall number 5 is closed. Now, due to this washing, dirty water flowing through into the wash water trough is removed by wall number 4, that is waste drain wall. This washing process requires only 5 minutes. After washing, all walls are closed in condition, excluding wall number 4, waste drain wall. That means all the walls are closed in condition, only wall number 4 is open to all the wastewater to drain out. Here, from inlet wall number 1, allow admitting water to run filter, but filter water wasted for some time through drain for removing if dirt is present. That means when the water is admitted into the inlet chamber through wall number 1, at that time you are still in open in condition, that is wall number 4 is still drain out the all dirty water until the wall number 4 do not close when we seen clear water. That means finally when we seen clear water, stop or close the drain wall number 4. Now wall number 2, that is filtered water outlet wall, is opened to move for next step, that is disinfection. Out of total water filtered, only 3% of water used of filtered water. That means only 3% of water is used from filtered water. The comparison of slow sand filter is rate of filtration. In slow sand filter, 100 to 200 liters per hour per meter square is required. In rapid sand filter, 3000 to 6000 liters per hour per meter square rate of filtration is required. The size of bed. The size of bed is required large. You already seen at the time of design of slow sand filter are bread size is 39 point something and length size is 79 meter. That means it is huge size. But in rapid sand filter we required very small area. The filter media of sand, effective size is 0.2 to 0.35 mm and rapid sand filter effective size is 0.35 to 0.6 mm. In slow sand filter, CU is 2 to 3 and depth is 105 cm. In rapid sand filter, effective CU is 1.2 to 1.7 and depth is 75 cm, which is do not reduced by washing. Base material of gravel, that is size required for slow sand filter is 3 to 65 mm and depth required is 30 to 75 cm. You already seen in the figure, that is we provided a depth of gravel is 60 cm to 75 cm. Okay, and rapid sand filter size is 3 to 40 mm and depth is 60 to 90 cm. The period of cleaning is 1 to 2 months for slow sand filter and in rapid sand filter it requires only 2 to 3 days. The chlorination process also provided both in slow sand filter and rapid sand filter. You already know the bacterial removal of load efficiency is very much in slow sand filter and the bacterial removal of load efficiency is very low in the rapid sand filter. In the slow sand filter, removal of color and turbidity efficiency is very less, but in rapid sand filter, removal of color and turbidity efficiency is very much big as compared to slow sand filter. The economy of slow sand filter is very much high at the initial cost, and in rapid sand filter is cheap and economical. In slow sand filter, there is no skilled supervision is required, but in rapid sand filter, we require a skilled supervision. Design of rapid sand filter. Question. Design 4 units of rapid sand filter for population 1 lakh. Use the following data. First, per capita water demand is equal to 200 liter per hour per day. Second, rate of filtration is equal to 5000 liter per hour per meter square. 1 unit is acting in standby. Here capital B is equal to breakthrough index is equal to 0.002. Capital H is equal to head loss is equal to 2 meter. Small d is equal to 1.5 mm. Draw its units. Solution. First step, average daily demand. As you know, population multiplied by rate of supply. Our population is given 1 lakh and rate of supply is 200. So 1 lakh into 200 is equal to 20 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. Here we assume that 3% of filtered water is used for washing filter every day. Also, we assume 30 minutes is equal to 0.5 hour required for filter washing. That means 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You can assume it as per your requirement. Second step, maximum demand. It is equal to 1.03 into average daily demand. Therefore, 1.03 into our average daily demand is 20 into 10 raised to 6. Therefore, answer is equal to 20.6 into 10 raised to 6 liter per day. Now, you have to convert this liter per day to liter per hour. The step 3 is discharge per hour. 20.6 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 24 hours minus 0.5 hours, because we reduce 0.5 hours for filter washing. Thus, 24 minus 0.5, 23.5. Therefore, 20.6 into 10 raised to 6 divided by 23.5. Capital Q is equal to, answer is 876.59 into 10 raised to 3 liter per hour. Step 4. Q is equal to A into V. Therefore, A is equal to Q by V. That means you have to find out the area. Thus, area is equal to 876.59 into 10 raised to 3, that is liter per hour, divided by 5000 rate of filtration, which is already given to you. Now, area is equal to 175 meters square. The breadth is equal to 6.5 meter and length 9 meter. The L by B, L into B is equal to 58.5. The number of units is 3, that is 58.5 into 3 is equal to 175 meters square area. Provide 1 unit is standby, so provide 4 units. Minimum depth of filter sand by Hudson formula. Capital Q is equal to 5000 liter divided by 1000, that is 5 meter cube. Therefore, capital L is equal to capital Q into small d cube into H divided by 293 into 23 into B, capital B. Therefore, below is equal to 5, that is capital Q, small d is provided 1.5 raised to 3, that is 1.5 cube, multiply by 2 meter, that is small h, that is 5 into 1.5 into 2 divided by 29323 into 0.002. 0.002 is capital B. Therefore, capital L is equal to 0.57 meter. Provide depth of sand is equal to 60 centimeter. Assume gravel depth is equal to 45 centimeter. Depth of under drains is equal to 60 centimeter. Water depth is equal to 100 centimeter. Freeboard is equal to 30 centimeter. Total depth of filter basin is equal to depth of under drains plus gravel depth plus depth of sand plus water depth plus freeboard. Therefore, 60 plus 45 plus 60 plus 100 plus 30 is equal to 295 centimeter is equal to 2.95 meter, say 3 meter. This is the layout of rapid sand filter. The 4 units are provided. Out of these 4 units, 1 unit is standby. The size is provided is 9 by 6.5 meter. Thank you.